the news leader. First, live, local. Fox 4 News continues at 9:30.
A civil rights victory today after a long battle by a Keller mother looking to protect her son and all students with special needs. Between 2008 and 2010, Brigitte Rideau's son, Terrence, who cannot speak or walk, began coming home from Keller Middle School with unexplained injuries. She claims he was being abused by a special needs teacher. The family filed a civil rights lawsuit against Keller ISD. In 2013, they won, awarded $1 million. After the verdict, though, the district challenged the lawsuit. The district lost that challenge today, although it can still appeal. And when we reached out to Keller ISD, it had no comment pending litigation. The case also helped lead to changes inside special needs classrooms. Last year, Governor Greg Abbott signed a law requiring districts to put cameras into those classrooms. The cameras have to record video and audio.
Attorneys Sean Brown and Michael Hurst represent the Rideau family. Thank you so much, both of you, for being in with us tonight. Michael, this had to be good for you to hear today, a good feeling for you after all this time.
It was more than a good feeling. We feel vindicated as lawyers, but more importantly, we're elated for our client, the Brigitte Rideau and Terrence Rideau and their family. Their courage and perseverance throughout all of this is something that we could all learn from.
But they might need more courage and perseverance because, Sean, the district can appeal. Do you think that's going to happen?
They can appeal, and they have fought at every turn against these parents who have fought for their child. So that could happen, but we'll be steadfast with those parents, and we know that just as the Court of Appeals vindicated them today, that they'll ultimately prevail. So
then what happens next for the family? Michael, do they just have to keep waiting?
No, well, they can keep waiting if they want. More than likely, again, Brigitte Rideau used this lawsuit not to get money, although the money can be very well spent on the kid. The lawsuit was about getting cameras in the classrooms of special needs kids. Thanks to Governor Abbott and the Texas legislature, that dream came true last year. So the waiting is now just to see what the process does. The school district fired its best shot. They tried to get out on a procedural technicality. They got the judge to agree with them, and the Fifth Circuit rightfully overturned that opinion. They may try to figure out other ways to try to seek additional appeals, but right now we're feeling really, really good about justice being served.
But you're right, the cameras in the classroom is really what this mom wanted, not only for her son, but to protect so many people here. And Sean, I know that you've got a close relationship, both of you, with this family. So I know our viewers want to know, how is little T? Terrence is not so little anymore.
Right, little T is great. He's 21. Yeah. He's still in school, and he is getting lots of services because his family has continued to fight for those services. He's doing well, and they're setting him up for success. But this was about helping him get over what happened to him when he couldn't speak for himself, and the jury spoke for him. And the Fifth Circuit has said that jury deserves to be heard and has asked the judge to enter this verdict, this judgment.
Thank you both very much for joining us here tonight. We're going to keep following this story, but Sean and Michael, appreciate your time.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.